In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a keto-friendly pizza frittata for breakfast. Let's get cooking. Breakfast is by far one of the hardest meals to meal prep. There's not a lot of options that you can cook in advance. A lot of egg recipes go bad quickly, and you don't always want to eat oatmeal. But a frittata is a simple solution to that problem. A few simple ingredients mixed together and baked in the oven. The super simple keto-friendly pizza frittata is going to be something you're going to want to eat every single morning. A frittata sounds complicated to make, but it's actually super easy. First, we're going to start with 6 whole eggs. Next, we need to combine a little bit of dairy. For this, I'm going to use yogurt. You want something that has a little bit of fat in it. Using something like skim milk or almond milk isn't going to work that well. It's going to be too watery. You want something with a little bit of fat that's just going to help bind everything together. So we're just going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And then we're going to season it with a little fresh cracked black pepper and a pinch of kosher salt. Give it a good mix until everything is nice and well combined and the eggs get really fluffy. Now that this is all beaten really well, just go ahead, grab some non-stick spray and a muffin pan and just make sure you give these a good spray. You don't want this getting stuck at all. These eggs are gonna rise while they bake in the oven, so we don't wanna fill this up all the way. What we wanna do is just fill it up about halfway each, because we're also gonna add in a little bit of topping in there. Once you have your eggs doled out, it's time to add our pizza toppings. I have some shredded mozzarella pizza cheese and some pepperoni slices. This is 30 grams of mozzarella cheese that we're gonna divvy up here. Just go ahead and drop a little bit in each one. If you have a scale, you could measure this. It'd be 5 grams per. And then we're gonna top these with 1 slice of pepperoni each. It'll be a nice little surprise when you bite into this frittata. Now we're ready to pop this into our oven that's been preheating to 350 degrees. These are gonna go in there for 13 to 17 minutes on the top rack. Now we have to keep an eye on this while it cooks because we don't want it to overcook. Once you're able to jiggle the pan and the eggs look firm, cooked, but there's still a little bit of jiggle, that means that they have cooked through. Our frittatas took 14 minutes in the oven, and as you can see, they look incredible. Let's go ahead and get these out and plated. And it wouldn't be very Italian pizza of me if we didn't add a little fresh basil. We're just gonna roll this up like a little cigar and give it a chiffonade cut. If you're unfamiliar with the cuts for cooking, I made a video about that. It'll be linked in the description down below. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make a keto-friendly pizza frittata for breakfast. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Look at that, it's cooked perfectly in the middle with the mozzarella cheese just pulling right out of there. Eggy, cheesy, little bit of pepperoni just to make it feel like a little pizza for breakfast. This is delicious. That's it for this video, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button and comment down below what you want to see me make next week. Until next time, get cooking.